Okay, so what I'm doing now, just gonna put a couple of zip ties on here just to hold this. I can have it exactly where I want it. Okay, so that's gonna be good, just like that. Kind of fish this through here, because I want me one right up in here. Okay, got that where I want it. Now, okay, let me show you what I did on the modifications here. Just remember I told you I had to modify it. So that's how she looking. That's how she looking. I'm gonna kind of cut the whole plate all the way around. Had to cut the screw holes in there. Was only able to get 2, but that ain't no biggie because guess what? The bike when I got it originally only had 2 screws in it, so that ain't bothering me. And that's looking pretty good right there. I do gotta make sure that this is moving though. I'm gonna have to adjust that. I'm gonna have to adjust that plate. I don't feel it moving, and I know they was moving ahead of time. So it could be my screws. Yeah. Got a little bit of slack in that now. Okay, so I'm gonna have to adjust my screws so I can have just a little plate in there, because those gotta move. Those gotta move inside of there. Alright, y'all. Let me get oh. Right, I got y'all. As you know, I got those 2. Go to the coil. I gotta change the ends on them so that they'll be plug in these bullet style for bullet style motorcycle. And that's gonna go to my switch power, which I have right here. Also, let me get that. Okay, if I have to, I'll just pop these out and put them on that other plate, the one with the points, and I'll just take all of the points off, and we'll just drill in the little holes, and then putting those in there with the Allen key, and that would make that fit. So, but I just tried it this way first. Just took me a Dremel and cut around it. Okay, and here go my other piece. Alright, there we go. And that's my other piece there. I'm gonna plug up here, and that's my switch power there. Okay. And that's just I'm gonna put those 2 on there. On for my coil. What's up, y'all? So what I'm doing, I'm trying to find me some switch power. I'm just checking a few things real quick. Making sure none of these are fire. And let's see when I switch the key. Nope. Nope, nothing there. Okay, let me check these 2. Okay, that's 12. Y'all see that? Make sure y'all can see that. Okay, in here, I gave me my 12. Let me turn the key off. Okay. That's switch power right there. Alright. So we found switch power. I need to put an end on the red one. That brown wire. Okay, I need an end. Let me get this all did, and then I could, bring you back when I do my next step. Okay, y'all, so I grabbed the spark plug out of the donor bike, and I put it here because I didn't feel like unscrewing the ones here. And I'm finna cut this light, and I want to just kind of see if I got spark. Yeah, I know it's kind of dark, but I should be able to kind of see now. Okay. I'm not seeing spark. Okay, something else I was thinking could be a problem with these ends on here. I'm gonna grab one of the ends off the other one. Okay, take this off. Hopefully this will give me spark. So what I'm doing, I'm just, hopefully y'all can see this, I'm just twisting it on here. I said, hopefully this will give me spark, and I'll have to do it to the other side also, if this works. Now I'm back to the drawing board, but probably have to do some adjustments on it. Okay, we should be able to see if we get something right there. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything, so I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. I know we're getting power through, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do some adjustments. Get my timing right. Oh well, we gonna get it.